Koh Tao is known for having some of the best bays in the whole of Thailand for snorkeling. It has some of the clearest blue water to see fish like parrotfish, barracuda maybe, needlefish, butterfly fish, and also if you're lucky you might see some blacktip reef sharks and some sea turtles. And I'm going to be showing you guys one of the most beautiful viewpoints I think I've ever seen. In today's video, I'm taking you on a snorkeling tour around the best bays in the whole of Koh Tao. But to get here, we came from Phangan yesterday, so let me show you how we got here. Port in Koh Phangan, and to get to Koh Tao we're taking the Lompraya speedboat, which takes about an hour. It's 600 baht one way and it's waiting for us there. Hello. Hello. The most interesting song tao I've ever seen taking us to the resort.
Lovely pool.
And so we've just checked in to the Haad Tien Beach Resort, and I want to show you the room that we're staying at for the next 3 nights. This is the luxury beach villa resort that we've got, and as you can see, we're on the beach. We literally wake up in the morning and that is what we get to enjoy. Let me show you inside. And voila! 2 lovely big beds, lovely wardrobe. This is a very unique hotel. Of course, the main selling point for this, for me, is this absolutely stunning. The fact that we've just got the beach and the water in front of us every morning we wake up. Really unique style to this villa. Unlike any place I've stayed in before, really love it. Very excited to spend the next few nights there. And today we've got a snorkeling trip. Very excited, organised with the Haad Tien Resort. Let's do it.
Pong.
Pong. Matt.
Nice to
meet you, buddy. This is Kevin.
Nice to meet you.
Now the beach at the Haad Tien Resort is actually probably the best beach on the whole of Koh Tao for snorkeling. It's known as Sharks Bay and it is known for its blacktip reef sharks. But if you come in the morning you might be able to see them. Right now it's a little bit later. This is our boat for the day. Yeah. Now Sharks Bay is one of the best beaches in the whole of Koh Tao, and a lot of tourists will actually come here and just, you know, spend the day here. If you're not a resident at the hotel, you do have to pay to use the beach, and there are many taxi boat services available here. So if you want to do a snorkeling trip from Sharks Bay, you can buy them from the beach. The waves are a bit crazy this morning, but fortunately I took my seasickness tablet before I came on board. But I also just had breakfast before I came on board. Already I'm noticing how much nicer the water here is than anywhere else we've been in Thailand. The water is just neon blue. It's like see-through. Absolutely stunning. Can't wait to get in there. I'm sure we're going to see lots. So our first stop is Aew Leuk Bay, and this is one of the better places on the island to go snorkeling. We're going to hope to see some parrotfish, lots of needlefish, but hopefully today we're going to see some turtles, because that is what I'm here for. Turtles, sharks, and what else, Kevin?
Sea urchins.
Sea urchins. Lots of hell's Satan's spawn is what we're going to call them, because they look angry, they look evil. And Kevin likes standing on them, don't you, Kevin?
Yep. Kevin
loves to stand on sea urchins.
Someone has to.
Someone's got to do it. And it's not going to be me, it's going to be him. Let's do it! 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look, we saw so many different kinds of fish. I saw a stingray as well, and yeah, it's just so beautiful. A massive upgrade in snorkeling here than in Phangan. The water is crystal clear, there's no sandiness. It is so, so amazing to snorkel here. But now we're moving on to snorkeling spot number 2. And next we come to Hin Wong Bay. This is another of the hotspots for snorkeling. We're going to see lots of groups of fish here. I really hope it's similar to the last place in terms of clarity, because Aew Leuk was so beautiful, amazing. Our driver's taking us around to the best places to snorkel around Koh Tao, and he's delivered so far. I'm hoping this place is as good. Let's go! What did you think of Hin Wong, Gav?
Good.
Nice?
More sea urchins this time.
More sea urchins at this place. It was good fun. Very clear water again, but a lot more sea urchins, so you got to be cautious while swimming here. I definitely preferred the first spot. I think I'm seeing the cutest thing I've seen this entire trip. There are dogs wearing life jackets on this boat, going for a swim with their family on the longtail boat. That is amazing. They're living their best life. Yeah. They're adorable. What? So this is Nan Yuan Island. It's a collection of 3 islands just actually off the coast of Koh Tao. This place does get incredibly busy normally, but there aren't actually many other boats here, so we might be lucky. Let's have a look. Now to get onto this island, you actually have to pay 250 baht, so it's one of the most expensive places we have been so far to get access to. But also, you're not allowed any plastic bottles, you're not allowed to bring food here, you're not allowed to wear fins if you're snorkeling, or snorkeling shoes for that matter. And that's how they keep this place looking absolutely pristine. The water is so clear, there's no litter anywhere. Guys, we've got the whole place to ourselves almost. This is crazy. The last time I came here about 3 years ago, it was absolute jam-packed with so many tour boats, so many different groups, different resorts of people. But right now, it's empty. Look at this place. It's absolutely stunning, and to be honest, it's one of the most beautiful places I've been in the whole of Thailand so far. Honestly, unbelievable. And there's a viewpoint that we're gonna walk up. So the beach here actually has lots of this like coral on it, so it's probably not the best place to be walking barefoot and to actually go for a swim and lay down, but it is honestly so spectacular in how pretty it is with these 2 sandbanks that connect these 3 islands. Out of everywhere that I've been so far in Thailand, in terms of beaches, this place has the most stunning, spectacular beaches I've seen in the whole of Thailand. And out of the whole of these 3 islands, Koh Phangan and Tao. This place is unbelievable. Now, if you guys are wondering if you can stay on these beautiful islands, yes you can. There is one resort, and these are the little villa/huts that you can stay in. There's also one restaurant as well, so if you do want to eat here, you will be confined to that one restaurant, because of course you can't bring any of your own food, any plastic bottles or any drinks onto the island. And we have made it to the top of the Nan Yuan viewpoint. The hike up was so worth it. I'm only wearing flip-flops as well, so you don't even need to worry about wearing trainers, but the views from up here are probably among the best that I've seen yet. Seeing the 2 sandbanks connect the 3 islands is really something special. And from here, you can really see how crystal clear the water is. It's blue, it's turquoise, it's azure. It's all the most stunning colors that you imagine when you think of an incredible Thai beach. Unbelievable from up here. What's the view like from up there, Kev?
Good.
Even better?
Higher.
Worth risking your life? Yeah, I don't think Yeezy had hiking in mind when he created these slides. just for the top half, I'd probably suggest it's a better shout, more safe to use hiking shoes or trainers. But the way up, stairs, it's nice, it's safe. Let's keep going down. These are correct. These are probably not. Now, the last time I came to Nan Yuan Island, I remember we were really rushed because we came on one of these big tour boats. So my suggestion to you would be try and hire a private boat, maybe through the hotel like the Haad Tien, because that way you get an unlimited amount of time just to relax and take your time on this, you know, Thai paradise. And just, you know, you could go for a swim maybe, take your time at the top, rather than feeling rushed, like you've got to jump back on the boat and then get off and then you forget it all. If you do make your way over to the second sandbank, you will notice that the sand is actually sand rather than coral and shells. So here you will be fine to just walk on the beach without getting pain in your feet. If you actually walk a little bit further down onto the second sandbank, you can snorkel here. And if you just get your feet in, you'll actually see the fish swim to your feet and they'll start nibbling on your legs. So bring your snorkeling goggles, bring your snorkeling equipment, because this is definitely one of the better spots to be. Here comes our private transfer. As I said before, there are many different excursions that come here. There's one over here, an excursion known as Grand Sea Discovery. They offer some good tours as well. I guess these are the private ones which you can hire from Koh Tao. I think it's 450 baht for the round trip. We've got our private one from the hotel, Haad Tien. And that was Nan Yuan Island. What an amazing, amazing place. We're now making our way back on the longtail boat to the hotel because it is time to head back because the clouds are changing. Rain might be coming. I think we're due a storm. So it's definitely time we make our way back to the hotel. Thank you. The hotel also hooked us up with some food as well. We got chicken, chili, rice. Can't go wrong. What are the chances as soon as we leave it starts to rain on the way back? But thank God, because we got the best of the weather for those amazing stops. And we've made it back to base camp, the Sharks Bay, which is as well one of the best places. Guys, I've got to say, this has honestly been one of the best snorkeling trips I've ever been on. Having our own long tail and doing things in our own time. The snorkeling here is incredible because the water's just crystal clear. You can see so much. And also Nan Yuan Island was unbelievable. Absolute highlight of this trip. What an amazing tour. Thank you, bro. You've been a star. Thank you, man. But yeah, we are back to base camp and I'm gonna go for a massage now with the Haad Tien. Oh. Thanks very much, man. See you later. You got the keys?
You've got the keys.
I don't have the keys.
I will have the keys.
You don't have the keys? Well, I don't have the keys. Who has the keys, Kevin?
I will have the keys.
Nice little foot bath. Ah, so you do have the keys. And back into the stunning luxury beach villa at the Haad Tien Resort. Time for a quick shower and then time for a massage. So see you then. And today I've decided to go for a classical Thai massage. This is actually going to be my first Thai massage in Thailand. The last one I got was an oil massage and that was amazing. But we're starting with a foot rub and a foot scrub, I guess, to exfoliate. Very relaxing. Wow, and there you guys have it. That is the end of another wonderful day trip snorkeling around the best snorkeling spots here in Koh Tao. I will link a few different options for you guys to join similar excursions in the video description if you want to book a snorkeling tour as well. But that massage as well was absolutely unbelievable from the Haad Tien Resort. It was fantastic Thai massage, amazing stretching and everything else. But this evening we are just going to enjoy a lovely dinner at the restaurant, looking out onto the beach and onto the ocean, and what an amazing way to end this video. So if you guys have enjoyed this one, make sure you hit that like button down below and also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification button so you get notified every time I post new videos. And also check out these videos that have popped on the screen. That is it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.